Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Printify store. First, navigate to the Printify website and sign up for a free account using your email. Once registered, you will need to connect your Printify account to an e-commerce platform. Popular choices include Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. This integration allows for seamless order processing. After connecting, you can begin exploring the extensive product catalog, which features over 900 customizable items, from apparel to home decor. Now that your store is connected, it's time to design your products. Choose an item from the Printify catalog, such as a t-shirt or mug. Then, use the intuitive mockup generator to upload your unique designs. You can easily adjust placement and size. Always ensure your design files are high resolution, ideally 300 dpi, for the best print quality. This step is crucial for creating appealing products that customers will love and purchase. With your designs ready, the next step is to set up shipping and pricing. Printify offers various shipping options, and you'll need to configure these for each product. Next, determine your retail prices. A good strategy is to aim for a profit margin of at least 20 to 30% after accounting for Printify's production costs and shipping fees. This ensures your business remains profitable and sustainable in the long run. Finally, it's time to publish your products and start selling. Once you've finalized designs, shipping, and pricing, simply hit the Publish button to push your items to your e-commerce store. Actively promote your store across social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Engage with potential customers and gather feedback. Regularly review your sales data and customer reviews to continuously improve your offerings and grow your brand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.